Welcome to AutoGlide, your go-to source for the latest car reviews, specifications, and updates from the automotive world. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Ford Edge, a mid-size SUV that's received some exciting updates for the new model year. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle, a powerful performer, or a stylish and tech-forward ride, the 2025 Ford Edge promises to check all the boxes. Ford has given the 2025 Edge a fresh new design, with a bold front grille, sleek headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated appearance. The updates make this SUV feel modern and aggressive, while still maintaining the rugged look it's known for. The new design enhances its presence on the road, ensuring you stand out wherever you go. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Edge offers a variety of engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, which delivers a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for those who want to enjoy a smooth and responsive driving experience without breaking the bank at the gas pump. For those who desire more performance, there's an available 2.7-liter V6 engine, providing more horsepower and towing capacity, making it perfect for anyone who needs extra strength for hauling or off-road adventures. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and an overall comfortable driving experience. Additionally, the all-wheel drive system is available for those who need enhanced traction on various surfaces, making the Edge a great option for all seasons. Inside, the 2025 Ford Edge offers a spacious and luxurious cabin. It features high-quality materials and an updated design that blends both comfort and convenience. The front seats are roomy, and there's plenty of space in the back for passengers to stretch out. The Edge's tech features are also impressive, with a large 12-inch touchscreen display, Ford's Sync 4 system, which supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This ensures you stay connected with ease, whether you're navigating, streaming music, or making hands-free calls. You can also opt for premium features like a panoramic sunroof, a top-tier sound system, and even a wireless charging pad to keep your devices powered on the go. The 2025 Ford Edge isn't just about comfort and performance, it's also packed with safety features. Standard equipment includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work together to make driving safer, especially on longer trips or busy highways. The Edge also offers a suite of available advanced driver assistance features, ensuring that you're equipped with the latest in automotive safety technology. With ample cargo space, impressive towing capacity, and a list of tech and comfort features, the 2025 Ford Edge is a versatile and stylish SUV that's perfect for a wide range of drivers. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends performance, practicality, and luxury, the 2025 Ford Edge is certainly worth considering. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews, specs, and updates on the latest car models. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.